Welcome to the video, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you the basics of cornhole. By the end of this video, you're going to be an expert when it comes to knowing how to play the greatest backyard game ever created. First off, we're going to start with the recommended bag type. Now, for this, you're going to want to find the two-sided cornhole bags. One side has a very smooth texture, allowing for the bag to slide once it comes in contact with the board, as shown here. The other side of the bag, it's more textured material, a little rougher. This will allow the bag to stick in one place as it comes in contact with the board. Moving on, we're going to talk about the correct throwing form. When throwing a cornhole bag, there is no right or wrong way to throw it. Everyone is going to throw it how they feel comfortable. There are a few things to keep in mind though. When you finish a throw, try to keep your arm straight to maintain accuracy. And another tip is to stand as close to the board to shorten the distance between you and the opposite board. Another important thing to make sure you watch out for is your proper footing. In cornhole, every throw usually makes a step. When you step, you're going to want to make sure you do not pass the front of the board. Passing the front of the board will result in a foul, and then from there, the other team will decide the penalty for it, whether it be the bag doesn't count or you have to rethrow. Either way, it's up to the opposing team. Moving on to how to score a round, how the bags are actually scored. First, landing on the board. That'll earn you 1 point for each bag on the board. Missing the board completely will result in 0 points. And lastly, getting it in the hole is 3 points added to your total score. In cornhole, you and your opponent alternate throws. Once you and your opponent throw all the bags, then you tally up the score. You take your points and the opponent's points and subtract the difference. For example, if you score 6 points in a round and your opponent only scores 3 points in a round, then that would result in you earning 3 points for that round, because you take your 6 points and then subtract the 3 points that they earned, and then you're left with only 3 points. Lastly, we're going to be going over the distance between the boards as well as how many points in a game you need to score to actually win. So the boards are going to be placed 27 feet apart. You can do this by taking steps or using a measuring tape. In a game of cornhole, the first to 21 points wins. Unless you are both at 20 points, then you must win by 2 points. I want to thank you all for watching this how-to video, and I'll catch you in the next one.
There's something on my leg. Hurry up, hurry up. Ready?
Wait, let me fix this. Okay.
Good?
Come on.